Yes, camera hub. So it is cute. Let's try to open it once again. Maybe it was a software problem. So it seems working. Let me turn the easier mode and close this thing here. And let's try to go there and switch to the Elgato once again. With this preset. So maybe it will be working for some time. Because it was yesterday. So finally I'm happy. Let's continue our journey in the vibe coding session. We have some release notes. By the way, we don't have. Let's prepare release notes for the 2.00 version. Now, as I see, camera is still jumping. But now it's working. So I should not look at it. Let's prepare the release notes for the 2.1 version. It is current state. Div we had before and prep 3 lines max sync. Yes. Let's actually create some tag here. Let's go to the helm, let's put release notes here, we can translate it one click. And this is a very cool feature of the helm. Let's go to the ISO dev file here. Let's update our app from this perspective. Let's have promotional text here and let's translate it to other languages. Let's go to the App Store optimization. I think we have better subtitle, by the way. Keywords is also nice. Do we have, like, we have any language we need? So let's start updating our screenshots then. Maybe I can add some more locale, but it's not important right now. So let's remove our old screenshots and add some that I have already prepared before. Here, maybe, yes. So we have new screenshots here with new designs, etc. Zamber screenshots, blah blah blah. Let's try once again. Yes, it worked. Now let's update screenshots for the other languages and locales as well. Probably there's some delete everything button somewhere here, but it's not important. So I'm too fast and this thing is not backend deleted at the moment I'm pressing this button. That's why we see this error. Delete on backend, I mean. So let's go to the German as well and do the same thing. Yes, let's enjoy this same error message here. I also will need to update the description, but with Helm it is very simple. And it's not super simple for the Android, but I have some life hack for that stuff too. So don't switch off. And the stream is like very short at all. I have a cleaning soon. That's why I have like 1 hour at most. And I would like to have some dinner before I'm going out. So yeah. Basically we will finish the update of this app and I will turn it off. So this is very short stream indeed. Probably I should stream more in silence by just hearing some music, because I will be able to stream more in this setup and maybe it is nice. I have seen that some guys are combining the streams with talking and streams without talking, because for me it's not that simple to talk a lot on the streams. And we have the hanging problem of the Helm, so let's kill it and just restart. I have already faced that thing, that's why I'm not waiting. Let's go to the screenshots. Let's recheck actually that everything is properly ordered. And it seems so for English. Let's go for the Chinese. It's not that I can read this thing, but I remember the order of my screenshots. And it seems nice. By the way, maybe music is too loud. I can hear music on my silent stream. So languages, screenshots are properly uploaded. Screenshots of the language, of the proper languages, I don't care. And let's update this thing too, but it seems like I have already done it. Yes, let's see the English one. Blue and green, smooth animations, calendar view. Generate test data? What the fuck? So what are the characters that is not supported? I don't guess. Maybe Yeah, that's fine. Hooray! We have fixed Jericho's problem. And let's translate this thing to all languages by just using this button. Okay. Sorry for the sound. Let's check the, for example, Japanese. Yeah. Let's try to add more keywords maybe. Because for those languages we have more space and we should use it for sure. Okay, we are ready to send it to review. And we will work on the Android version. Let's go to the Google Play. For some reason I have a spike in downloads today for the Super Tracker. Let's publish our hotfix here. Hopefully it will help. Let me brag you about the Super Tracker once again. So as you can see, we have 151 already. Some kind of spike. Let's brag it on the Twitter. It is a part of the game. And let's go to the Anxiety Pulse and create a new version here. And we will need to update all the metadata too. I also would like to create the landing page for this app. Let's use this thing here to create the release notes for the Android. It's almost done. let's send it for review and go for the App Store updates. I mean Google Play description and so updates. So as you can see, my camera is going crazy, but it's working. It was working yesterday for the Windows without any problem, so I don't know. But anyway, let's go to the group of users, store presence, store listing, and let's edit our listing here. So we are updating our stuff here. And let's update screenshots as well. I'm still not sure, maybe I need to post some. I need to update my wraps for the tablets. But let's see. So let's update other languages as well. For that stuff, let's use my small thing here. Something like that. And let's also update screenshots for Chinese. I need to create YouTube videos about that, by the way. About the screenshot making and about the apps. So I need to add Japanese here as well. Okay. But let's update screenshots here for the German version. Actually, German version is working very well for the Cyber Tracker, for example. And they also paid money for that, so this is cool. Thank you, Germans. So we're almost there. For the both platforms. For Spanish we cannot fit everything. Sometimes this happens. but that's fine. And let's add new language. Japanese. I have Japanese for all of my apps, as I remember. Just because I love and respect Japan. In some time, I have started to learn it, by the way. Maybe in some future I will be able to stream in Japanese, but this future is not super close, for sure. So let's quickly check. Seems nice. So we can save this and send for review in the publish and review. So we have 25 changes for review. Yes. That's fine. Let's wait a bit for that stuff. In the meantime, let's check once again this thing here. The default rating is rising because I'm having a positive reviews, and this is very, very cool. I think the revenue will also jump today and tomorrow, but let's see. Maybe nobody will buy it. But I have some stats for the conversion for sure. So this thing is updated. We can post about this on Twitter. But before that, let's post about Spike. So already So we are just posting on social media because it is important. It is kind of marketing. Here I have a few apps. So let's say to our guy that he needs to create some article on the post that I have created. These two blog posts. I also created the TikTok channel and Instagram channel, and I will probably post my stuff here. I mean the sobriety and stuff. Because for sure it's not about indie hacking, the TikTok and other stuff. So as you can see, we are creating this thing using the Cloud code. It is working pretty nice. And that's fine. And it will create everything we need by using the templates here. That's why everything will be just fine. I will try to figure out what to do with the camera, but maybe it is impossible to do anything. Anyway, I will probably just buy a new one. I will ask some Gemini about, hey man, what camera I need to buy to be a successful streamer. I probably can just use the iPhone for the streaming, and it would work. But let's see. For this app, I have one new sale, and the user wrote me about some bug, and I have fixed that stuff, and I have downloads here, as you can see, for the smoke trackers. Well, maybe I should choose smoke tracker and not this thing, but smoke tracker is just a fork of sober tracker, and I don't want to have like the same things, but maybe I should, and maybe I need to rethink, and maybe I will. You know, it's kind of dynamic stuff here, always dynamic stuff. And for the water tracker, for some reason, I have India is my main guys here. I don't know why, but I have you know, fixed the price, so I have more sales than before, but it's still like very small amount. Anyway, I will figure this out, because actually I respect the water tracker and super tracker the most, and other stuff not so respected by myself. And this flow breeze is very perspective, because it is very like fresh. I have uploaded 5, maybe 1 week ago, and it has already had some sales. And Anxiety Pulse doesn't have any sales, but I believe in this thing. Oh, 1 sec. Okay. Actually, a bit.
3 minutes.
I was thinking about. Okay, give me some time. Okay, 5 minutes.